I'm going to use VS Code for this installation. Let's open a new terminal. Change to F drive. Let's clear the screen. Create a new directory called Ubuntu 18.04. Change to the new directory that we just created. Let's search Vagrant website for Ubuntu box. Choose the box from Bento. Choose New. Select. And copy. Paste in the command that we just copied. Enter. After the initialization, Vagrant has created a Vagrant file in the current directory. Let's open the current directory in Visual Code using the command code -r dot. Enter. Let's open Vagrant file. We can see that most part of the file are commented out. In this tutorial, we're not going to look into it. Let's start up our new box. To start up our new box, use Vagrant up. Now our box is up and running. To verify that our box is up and running, we can use SSH to connect to our box by using command Vagrant SSH. We can see now we are connected to our new box. Now we are in Ubuntu box, we can use ls command. So there's nothing in the home directory. If we use ls on the root directory, we can see these folders. We also can run command uname-a to see the information about the Ubuntu. Tap exit to disconnect from our box. To check if our box is running or not, we can use the command Vagrant status. So here we can see that our box is running. To shut down our box, we use command Vagrant halt. So next time if you want to start your box, you just use Vagrant up and connect to it, use Vagrant SSH, and then you can shut it down using command Vagrant halt. Thank you for watching.